guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. I'm getting ready to do a DIY, but a different DIY, not a home decor. Now, what I want to share with you guys is I went to the Dollar Tree and they are selling t-shirts there. And they've got some in actually a really nice material, and they've got the cotton t-shirts. I want to do two quick DIYs with shirts. The first one I'm going to do with Valentines, because of course Valentine's is here, it's upon us, it's right around the corner. And I want to show you guys you can create something elegant, simple, for less. The t-shirt, they've got different sizes, and this one is adult tees. So this is an adult t-shirt. And I'm going to show you how you can create the newest trend, which is a shirt, not necessarily a t-shirt, but the choker neck shirt. I'm going to do a choker neck t-shirt, somewhat like what I'm wearing. You can't see it because I'm not going to be on camera today. I just want to be in the background, but how to create a choker neck shirt with a Dollar Tree tee. Okay, so let's jump right in. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to thank you so much. Welcome, and I hope that you will like this tutorial and decide you want to be a part of this family. Hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber, and share with your family and friends. I definitely desire and hope that you will like the video and share it. I hope that every time you like a video, you'll share it. So the first thing you're going to do, you want to make sure you have paint. And the Dollar Tree, I found these today, and that was just really exciting for me because I know Michael sells them, and the stamp. And so I purchased two of them. I bought the heart, and of course I'm a chef, so I love the idea of the cupcake, so I've got that. So you will need your stamps, paint, scissors, the t-shirt of your choice or a blouse of your choice, whatever it is you want to do. You will need glue and a glue gun. So I must say, before I get started, I am absolutely loving the idea of hot gluing with my clothing. It washes well in the washing machine, even though it's hot glue, but it works really, really well, and you can use the product right away. So I do like that a lot. So for this project, you want to basically follow the outline of the stitching on the neck. We're going to start with the side of the shirt. So here is the side. Let's see if I can. Here is the side of the shirt. You want to go, I think I want to do, let's do about 3 fingers. So, I'm going to put a slit right here to mark where I want it to be. Okay. And now I'm going to put another slit right by the stitching of the shirt. And basically outline that stitch. I think I want to flip it inside out. Let's flip it inside out. That way we're able to see exactly where the stitchings are. Go slow and be careful. And I'm taking it from one side to the other side. Once you get to the other side of where the stitching is, you stop, just like this. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, find where I've had my slit that I just made with my 3 fingers, and I'm going to take right where I stopped in the stitching on the sleeve. I'm going to take the scissors. I'm going to meet up with that slit. Once you get to that slit, then you're going to go from one side to the other side. And what I like to do is take the one side, the left side or the right side, bring it over to the other side so you have it evenly lined up. And you can see. I'm going to go ahead, do the same thing to this side, and I'll be back to show you. Okay guys, so I've cut the one side where the neck is. Now I'm going to bring it over to the other side so I have an even cut around. So right where the slit is on the shoulder, I'm going to basically do the same thing. So I have the same amount of depth. I'm going very slow because I want to make sure that I do not mess it up. Okay. Now I'm going to turn my shirt inside out. Well, basically turn it back to the correct side. It is on the inside out at this point. I still have my tag, so let's remove that. We really don't need that tag there. So we have our neck intact. And we can see the cutout. I'm going to trim a little bit of this. My kids have got my scissors pretty dull. Okay, now I can leave the shirt this way, or I can add some diamond wrap, or I can tuck it under and glue it so it has a sharp, even edge. I think I may do that. I think I would like to do that. But before I do that, let's go ahead and see what we're going to do with our paint. So I've got gold. I decide I want to do gold in my red. Make sure it's evenly coated. I don't want to oversaturate it either, so it doesn't come smeared. Okay, let's see what happens here. I think I want to start close to possibly where a pocket would be. Press it down. I think for a Dollar Tree it's not bad. I'm not quite sure if I would add more glue, more paint. nice. Need to make sure that I'm not seeping through. Looks great. Go on the other side. Okay, I think I probably want to make this. I don't know if I'm going to get it perfectly, but see if I can do that again. Okay, so it's not very bright, but it is visible. I'm going to go ahead and hem, just basically bend it over, add the glue, and come back and show you. Okay guys, so I used the diamond wrap to outline the top of my t-shirt here. And so this is what we have, and just hot glue the diamond wrap on the end. Then I went ahead and did one sleeve and wanted to do the other sleeve with you guys. So you just basically place, this is what it looks like. Basically place the trimming close to the edge, not all the way. So I took the piece that I measured off from, I use actually the diamond wrap rounded part because I do want it to be rounded off as my measurement. And then after that, I just cut it. So because I've got that piece, I'm going to go ahead and use it to cut out my other side. So I'm going to go very slowly. I'll cut that out and I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Okay guys, so I've got the sleeves cut out and love the way it looks. The neck I did glue down, so that turned out great. And the neck, I added the diamond wrap all the way around. Remember to stretch your diamond wrap, stretch the neck when you're adding your diamond wrap so you have the flexibility once you release it, so that your neckline can go over your head. And I just love the way that this shirt, give me a second, let me move out. Love the way it turned out. I hope you guys do. Hope you love the way it looks. For $1, I think it's worth it. I absolutely think that. This is something you could hang out in with your friends. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this DIY. It is a little different, but a Dollar Tree fashion, I think I can do it. All right, thank you, and I will see you on my next DIY, another Dollar Tree shirt.